Hello everyone, it's Max with Crypto Talk now. Voyager VGX. We saw a pump within the last couple weeks in regards to Voyager. We basically saw it go from 14.5 cents as much as a high of 94 cents within that week. And that was really, really cool because at the end of the day, people recognized a distressed asset and they took advantage of it. Also, on top of that, roughly a few days after it went to 94 cents, we also heard, of course, this whole thing of um, hashtag pump VGX 18th, or 18, I should say, which was posted by Meta Forum Labs, not to be confused with Terraform Labs, in which they basically want to save the project. And that was a great community driven uh, thing, if you will, an event to try to pump it up to $5. Now, don't get it twisted. We all want to, of course, see this thing pumped to $5. We all feel bad about, of course, what is happening with Voyager and so on. But at the end of the day, you got to still recognize the opportunities that are out there. Like for instance, a lot of people chose to go with Coinbase to, use that particular exchange, the wallet, for instance, to get their VGX and take advantage of the opportunity. Now, with that said, there's going to be a lot of things that are going to be happening here soon in regards to the whole thing with VGX to determine the fate of what's going to potentially happen or not happen. What exactly do I mean? Well, check this out. We're going to get right into it. This is straight from Decrypt, and it mentions that most notably, there's going to be a virtual court hearing on August 4th at 11 a.m. Eastern, which will determine, like I mentioned, how long customers and creditors have to submit proof of their claims against Voyager. I think this is key to point out because it also mentions that parties wishing to participate have until next Friday, which is July 28th, to file their comments in writing with the court. Now, of course, there's a lot to this article. I'm just going to read you a few key takeaways. But this other one I thought, which was worthy of a mention, is in regards to CEO Jason Raznick's statement that he made a while back. Of course, this is some more of the legal documentation if you want to look into that. But it's this right here. It states basically back on July 5th, a day before Voyager filed its petition for Chapter 11 protection, Raznick retweeted messages calling on Bankman-Fried to quote-unquote save Voyager. And if anything, there was, of course, the events that happened after that, which we know with Meta Forum Labs, in which they, of course, did that whole, thing on Twitter and, other sites and so on. I don't know if it was Reddit as well. I have to double check into that. But nonetheless, it was, of course, hashtag pump VGX 18. Of course, and the whole goal was to, like they mentioned in the announcement, or that tweet, I should say, to pump it to $5. So I do like the whole idea that it's not just, Raznick saying these things or what he wants to do, but we can go back and actually verify that, yeah, you know what? He did tweet those messages before all this stuff happened from outside investors to hashtag save Voyager. So with that said, everybody, that is the news on what's going on here soon in regards to this court case. It could have either a negative or positive impact, as we know. We have to follow this, and we will continue to do just that. So let me know what you guys think in regards to this in the comments in regards to the case and just VGX, Voyager in general. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching today's video on Voyager. You all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one.